we were talking about yesterday about SpaceX and talking about how it was getting close to a bottom, and then I sure as shit, SpaceX came out with its first quarterly earnings and exceeded expectations, and all of a sudden we had a major bounce. So for those of you that are still learning, this is a very common occurrence when it comes to IPOs. You're more than likely going to see around a 50% drop from the IPO um, in order to find stability, stabilization in the market, in the charts, right? So the thing is that you're mostly going to end up with companies that get overhyped, over exciting, and then when they hit the market, all this money is already in the market, right? So the thing that a lot of traders that are very young or very new to this space don't understand is when you're buying into something, you have to look at certain criteria. Number one, you have to look at the leadership, right? Yeah, and granted, they have good leadership over at SpaceX. He's built quite a few companies, multi-billionaire, trillionaire at some point. I mean, there's good stability behind it. He's very good at running companies. However, the question you have to ask is how much is the market cap when it hits the market? That's where a lot of people go wrong because they think that the market, just because it came out hot and in the news headlines, everything like that, it's just going to continue to go up. But the problem is when you buy into a stock, especially when its valuation comes in at $1 trillion, a brand new company cannot exceed $2 trillion immediately. And in order for you to double your money, that's how much money has to be in that market or in that stock. For us to see this 50% retracement means we're going to be closer to that $500 billion market cap. That means it's a little bit more sustainable, right? That means that we're now, okay, somebody who buys in here can double their money at a $1 trillion market cap and continue to make money as it goes up from there. But you're going to find that most of these companies are going to have the same routine. And everybody gets excited, everybody jumps in, and then it falls apart. And then this is just a clear sign of what actually happens, right?